Welcome back. And now I'm going to discuss little about wrapper classes, string builder, and pattern matching. So here we will learn a lot of things, lot of utility. First, here I want to show you what content I will cover. This is a very big list. What I'm going to cover, don't worry, this is utility. So utility list always will be bigger. So I will discuss wrapper classes, how to use. I will discuss primitive wrappers. Why should one wrap the primitive types, constructor, character and float, methods in wrapper classes, conversion, now their number format exception, value of method, toString method. Very big list is there. Means to any name string equals method and double equal to auto boxing. In what situation this will happen? No automatic conversion in case of long, comparison between primitive and wrapper, comparison between wrapper with boxing, strand but true, method argument conversion, method this one resolution with boxing, resolution pre 1.5, resolution using boxing, resolution with var, immutability, the problem with string, string builder, method, string buffer equals, pattern matching. Many are there. In pattern matching you have regular expression, pattern class, method, matcher, regular expression, different symbols are there, and finally how to match and looking at method how to do. So you will see more than 30 points I discuss, and those 30 points might be you will not be able to understand, but here if I'll start you will get to the detail. See, wrapper word itself you can understand. Like suppose here I have a bottle. In that bottle, suppose you have a water. So what you are doing, that bottle you are going to wrap inside a thermos. So this thermos is a wrapper. So here, if you will, why to use wrapper? What is the benefit? To provide the safety, of that. So here, wrapper classes in Java are classes which wrap other classes. Meaning is what? When we are using this, especially with primitive data types. If you have the primitive data types, around the primitive data types, we are using the wrapper classes. If because we want to use primitive data type as an object, so you are using that. By wrapping, we means they extend the functionality of the classes. Therefore, wrapper class constructor will always take the object of the class they wrap as a parameter. One thing keep in mind, wrapper classes, if you are using with primitive data type, means you want to use primitive data type as an object. Like here, under the number, under the primitive data type number, you have byte, sort, int, long, float, double, you have many. So for all here you have a wrapper classes starting with for byte, you have byte, B capital for sort, S capital for int, integer, for long, L capital long, float, F capital, double D capital. For char you have a character, and for boolean you have a boolean. Why you are going to use these wrapper classes? Because you want to use your primitive data type as an object. So here there are three basic reasons you are going to use the various kind of conversions you are doing. Many method is predefined there, like especially utility classes like ArrayList. Use object instead of primitive type. Always you should not transfer the data like your normal data, like a concrete data. You always should use a DTO design pattern to transfer data from one layer to other layer. Means like from controller layer to service layer. If you have transfer data, then you should use DTO design pattern, means data transfer object. Always you should transfer data in form of object, not as a concrete data. So how you will convert your primitive data type into object with the help of wrapper classes? It will help you in serialization. Means whenever anyone will ask you to store object into or store the data into a file. So data how to store? You have to store in form of object. So that object how to convert? So you with the help of wrapper classes. So wrapper classes are very useful concept. Here suppose few important methods are there like a toString. This toString method is available in all the wrapper classes. It is available in all wrapper classes. There are toString method with parameter you can use. It is also available in respective primitive types. You have a static toString method. Like that, here suppose example I am taking, I have written byte b equal to new byte and have created one object, a byte class. And this byte class object I want to use in different places. I can convert this byte class, this b into a string with the help of toString, and can convert using toString with the help of that some value and can use. So in this way, these are the use of that one. The important point here, equals method and double equal IRD explained in my previous slides, if you have remembered in my previous week. Here in equals method also it will be easy to compare two objects if you are having a wrapper classes. So it will be easy to compare, means equals will true provide the wrapper object are of same type and the value are same. So it will help you in with the help of wrapper classes, it will help you to compare object. It means if you have a primitive data type directly, then you will compare using double equal to. But if it is object, you will compare using equals method. So it is a very important point here. And you can say now, suppose you are declaring some primitive data type and you want to use as a object, then what you have to do? You have to convert, you will write. And if you have a object and you have to convert into primitive, that also you have to write. But here in JDK 1.5, they have given one concept called auto boxing. Means if you have primitive data type and there you want to use a wrapper, then automatically system will do. Means boxing, that is known as boxing. Means if you are adding wrapper around the primitive data type, that is known as a boxing. So this boxing who will do? Automatically system will do. In the same way, somewhere you are declaring object and you want to use as a primitive, then who will do this? Unboxing. Then answer is system automatically will do the unboxing here. So here I think boxing and unboxing you are able to understand, and both concept in one shot you can say this is known as auto boxing. So auto boxing automatically system will do here. Here usually you can do the comparison between wrapper with boxing. Suppose here if you are using dot equals as I told you, so you can compare two objects. When using double equal to with wrapper object which involve boxing, when value is between minus 128 to 127 is assigned to a wrapper automatically. Double equal to is treated as dot equals. Automatically here it will be treated as a dot equals method because this auto boxing system will do here. So hope you are able to understand the meaning of boxing and meaning of this unboxing, or can say meaning of auto boxing. So here up to this stage, you all are very much comfortable. Thank you very much. Thank you.